This ultra-compact and lightweight design let you bring the cozy comfort of Heatcore anywhere you go. Unlike other ugly portable heaters, the BLAUX Heatcore comes with sleek fluid edges, a contemporary design, and metallic highlights. It instantly elevates any room it's in. Heathcote is ready to go from the box. No complicated instructions or tools, just instant comfort with the touch of a button. It's the perfect indoor heater with a timer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful indoor space heater. Feel 1,200 watts of heating power instantly with rapid 5-second warming, and control your comfort with an eco timer and multiple heat settings. This indoor heater saves you energy and money. Number 2. Energy-efficient space heater. Unlike an infrared heater or other space heaters, Heatcore takes care of the air by using a unique filter that catches dust and hair. Unlike other room heaters, our room heater will always keep the air around you warm, fresh, and clean. Number 3. Safe room heater. The BLAUX Heatcore is an ETL-approved ceramic space heater that brings you the next generation of safety features, such as a tip-over safety switch, overheats protection, and innovative flame-resistant materials. True comfort comes with peace of mind. Our portable heaters are made with ceramic heating technology, bringing you the most advanced ceramic heaters for indoor use. Number 4. Personal heater for office desk. Experience Whisper Quiet Warming. It's perfect for anywhere in the house. Watching TV, bedrooms, offices, and anywhere you need quiet comfort. Use it as a foot heater for your feet, floor heater, or garage space heater. It also has an angled base that targets heat directly to where you need it most. Number 5. Portable and light. The ultra-compact and lightweight design let you bring the cozy comfort of Heatcore anywhere you go. Number 6. Whisper Quiet. It's perfect for watching TV, bedrooms, offices, and anywhere you need quiet comfort, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How many square feet will it heat? Answer. BLAUX Heatcore is known to heat an area measuring up to 120 square feet when using 1,200 watts high heating mode. Question number 2. Will it blow a fuse? Answer. BLAUX Heatcore is designed to be efficient and energy-saving. It has built-in thermal fuse protection. When the internal temperature goes above 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius, the heater will automatically turn off. Question number 3. Does this have a rechargeable battery or has to stay plugged in? Answer. BLAUX Heatcore has to stay plugged into a power socket to work. The package includes US and EU plugs that would fit into any standard socket. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.